Hi, welcome back to P2M, the Positive Perspective Mindset channel. Today we're covering mastering self-discipline, how to achieve success through consistency. So let's jump in. How can consistency help us achieve success? Should you push yourself outside your comfort zone? And what can self-discipline do to you? Except sounding like hard work. So let's break it down. Mastering self-discipline is like having a superpower that can skyrocket you to success. Picture this. You wake up each morning ready to slay your goals like a champ. With self discipline in your back pocket, you'll have the drive and focus to stay on track, even when Netflix and that comfy couch call your name. It's about doing the work day in and day out to make your dreams a reality. Self discipline is your loyal sidekick helping you build killer habits, stay on track, and avoid the temptation to procrastinate. Think of it as your ultimate wingman or wingwoman. And of course, having a positive and realistic mindset throughout mastering self discipline is paramount because it shapes your attitude, outlook, and approach towards those goals. A positive mindset allows you to maintain a can do attitude, believing in your ability to overcome obstacles and achieve success. On the other hand, being realistic helps you set attainable goals and expectations, avoiding unnecessary stress and disappointment. Embracing both positivity and realism creates a balanced perspective, enabling you to appreciate your progress, acknowledge areas for improvement, and adjust your strategies as needed. Now, I know what you're thinking. Self discipline sounds boring and hard, but I've got you covered with 5 simple steps and relatable examples that will make this journey enjoyable and, dare I say it, fun. Starting with step 1, embrace the why. Okay, first things first, you gotta understand the why behind your goals. Why do you wanna achieve them? Whether it's acing those exams, crushing it at work, or staying fit, find your motivation. Let's say your goal is to get fit. Think about how that will make you feel more confident, healthier, and ready to take on the world. As an action, grab a journal or open a note on your phone and write down your why. Remind yourself of it every morning. It might also help to jot down your top 3 goals. Be specific and make them measurable. Visualize yourself confidently rocking that new pair of jeans or getting that promotion. Step 2, start small, win big. Now, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your success story. Start small and build momentum. Break down your big goals into smaller, manageable tasks. It's time to break them down into bite sized pieces. Think of it like pizza. Everybody loves pizza, right? You don't devour it in one bite, you take small, tasty slices. The same goes for your goals. Each step brings you closer to that delicious final result. Choose one small task today that aligns with your big goal and crush it. Celebrate each tiny victory, then tackle each mini goal one slice at a time. Step 3, create your consistency rituals. Consistency is the magic ingredient to success. Build rituals, earned habits that support your goals even when it gets tough. Make them enjoyable and fun. Let's say you want to be more productive at work. Set a morning routine that includes a power up playlist, a quick workout, and a delicious cup of coffee. Pick 3 rituals that will set you up for success and add them to your daily routine. In other words, habits. They can make or break your progress. Think about a popular YouTuber that consistently uploads high quality videos. They didn't become successful overnight, it's the result of them consistently showing up and delivering valuable content to their audience. Step 4, embrace the hurdles. Look, life is a roller coaster, and you'll face hurdles along the way. Instead of beating yourself up when things get tough, embrace them. Learn from your mistakes and keep moving forward. Say you want to learn a new language, but you miss a day of practice. No worries, get back on that language learning horse. When you encounter a hurdle, pause, take a deep breath, and remind yourself that you are human. Then get back on track. Making mistakes and overcoming challenges is part of the process of growing and learning. It's how you become better and better. And step 5, surround yourself with positivity. Your environment matters, peeps. Surround yourself with positive influences and supportive friends who believe in your journey. Reach out to one friend who lifts you up and share your goals with them. Bonus points if you can team up and support each other. Also, start a success jar. Every time you achieve a goal or hit a milestone, write it down on a piece of paper and drop it in the jar. When you're feeling low, pick a random success note from the jar to remind yourself of your progress. Mastering self discipline through consistency is crucial because it empowers you to achieve your goals and create a life you truly desire. By consistently taking small actions aligned with your goals, you build momentum and make progress over time. It's not about perfection, it's about showing up consistently even when things get tough. With a positive and realistic mindset, you'll navigate your self discipline journey with a healthier, more sustainable approach, making it easier to stay consistent and committed in pursuing your dreams. The key advice here is to focus on the process rather than just the end result. Remember, success through consistency is not a destination, it's a lifelong journey. Let's summarize. We are understanding, embracing, and mastering self discipline while achieving success through consistency. The three key points to doing so are: 1. Find your why. Understand the deeper meaning behind your goals and let that fuel your motivation. Write them down to bring them to life. 2. Start small, win big. Break down your big goals into smaller, achievable tasks. It's easier to climb a staircase than a mountain. And 3. Embrace consistency. Create rituals and habits that support your goals. And don't be discouraged by setbacks, they're part of the journey. Consistency is the secret ingredient to success. These were some steps and examples on mastering self discipline, achieving success through consistency. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and share your support. I'm Amanda, your online buddy. Join me next week where we'll be covering building effective networking skills, expanding your professional circle. Ask questions or suggest topics related to your career or personal life in the comments, and we can tackle them together. Remember to keep a positive yet realistic mindset. See you next week.